Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your wealth with Merrill Lynch, full guide step by step clearly. Step 1 is to assess your current financial situation. This includes determining your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Understanding where you stand financially is crucial for effective planning. Step 2 is to set clear financial goals. Consider what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. This could include saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding education. Step 3 is to schedule a consultation with a Merrill Lynch financial advisor. Visit their website or call their customer service for assistance. During this consultation, share your financial situation and goals. The advisor will help you identify investment strategies tailored to your needs. Step 4 is to explore investment options. Merrill Lynch offers a variety of investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Understand the risks and benefits associated with each option. Step 5 is to diversify your investment portfolio. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk and enhance returns. Your financial advisor can help you determine the right mix of assets. Step 6 is to consider tax implications. Understanding the tax consequences of your investments is crucial for maximizing your wealth. Consult with your advisor about tax-efficient investment strategies. Step 7 is to stay informed about market trends. Keeping up with financial news and market fluctuations will help you make informed decisions. Merrill Lynch provides valuable resources and research tools for investors. Step 8 is to review your financial plan regularly. Your needs in the market can change over time. Schedule regular check-ins with your advisor to adjust your strategy as needed. Step 9 is to utilize additional resources offered by Merrill Lynch. Take advantage of their webinars, workshops, and educational materials. These resources can enhance your understanding of investing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.